In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change an address in Gusto. Whether you've recently moved or simply need to make a correction, this process is essential to ensure that all your personal information is up to date and accurate. Changing your address not only affects your mail and personal records, but can also impact your taxes. So, let's walk through the steps to make this update smoothly. First, you'll need to log in as a Gusto admin on your desktop. This is crucial because only an admin has the necessary permissions to update an employee's personal information. Once you're logged in, head over to the People section. This is where you'll find a list of all the employees associated with your Gusto account. Find and select the employee whose address you need to change. You'll want to navigate to the Personal tab, which holds all of their personal details. In this section, look for the address information. Against it, you'll see an option labeled Manage Home Address. Clicking this will open up the avenue for making the necessary changes. When you click on Change Address, you'll be given a couple of options depending on what exactly you need to do. If there was a typo or a minor error, you might simply need to correct the current address. In that case, select I need to correct an error. However, if the employee has moved to a new location, you'll want to choose Moved to a New Home Address. It's important to note that if you're changing to a new home address, Gusto will ask you to enter the move-in date alongside the new address. Providing the correct move-in date ensures that taxes are calculated accurately from the right period. Speaking of taxes, this brings us to another important point, deciding whether to pay home taxes for the new location, if it's applicable. This option is vital for ensuring that the employee's tax information reflects their new address properly. Once you've entered all necessary details, it's time to save your changes. Look for the Save or Submit button to finalize the update. By doing so, you not only keep your records current, but also help ensure that everything else tied to the employee's home address, such as tax documents, is also accurate. And there you have it, a straightforward way to change an address in Gusto. It's a task that might seem small, but it carries significant weight in keeping everything from communication to taxation running smoothly. Always double-check your entries to avoid potential errors. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below.